The contraception scheme has gone very well, and we've seen very high take-up right across the board. But for example, for women aged 17 to 25, there's over half the women in the country in that age group have now availed of the free contraception scheme. It's been very positive. On access to 16-year-olds, it is more complex, and it's something we've been discussing in the Department of Health for quite some time. There are some very legitimate concerns that have been raised with me, some around legal complexities, some around the age of consent being 17, and then there are medical ethics and various principles that are used in medical ethics. And so there has been an ongoing discussion, and there is legitimate concern among some healthcare professionals. I have a pretty simple view on this, which is a young woman at 16 years of age can walk into her GP today. In medical ethics, 16 is when you're deemed to be an adult, so you can go into your GP without a parent or a guardian at 16 years of age. A young woman in Ireland today can go into her GP and say she's pregnant and she wants to avail of termination of pregnancy services, and they will be provided to her, quite rightly. I feel that if we are offering those services to a young woman who's 16 years of age, she should also be able to go into her GP and say, I'd like to be able to avail of free contraception. So it's no more complex than that, really.